Understanding snow over phrases in English language. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, snow over. This phrase may sound a bit chilly, but don't worry, we're going to warm up to its meaning together. If you're curious about English idioms and phrases and how they can add flavor to your conversations, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unpack the meaning of snow over and how you can use it in everyday English. When we first hear snow over, it conjures up images of a snowy landscape, doesn't it? This phrase literally refers to a fresh layer of snow that has covered something, such as the ground, trees, or buildings. It's when you wake up to find that everything outside is blanketed in white, often leading to a beautiful, serene scene. It's a common occurrence in many parts of the world where snow is a regular part of the weather cycle. In a metaphorical sense, snow over can be used to describe a situation where something is temporarily hidden or covered up. Just like a snowfall can hide the details of the landscape, a problem or detail in life can be snowed over by other events or distractions. This usage is less common and might be more poetic or creative in nature. For instance, if a company is facing financial difficulties but then receives a sudden influx of investment, these issues might be snowed over by the news of their good fortune, at least for a while. Now, let's put snow over into action. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in a sentence. After the heavy snowfall last night, the entire landscape was snowed over, creating a winter wonderland. The scandal was snowed over by the company's announcement of their innovative new product, redirecting public attention. You might hear a weather reporter say, "Expect the roads to be snowed over by morning, so drive carefully." Notice how in each instance, the context of snow over is clear. It's about covering up or being covered by snow, literally or figuratively. Sometimes, you might encounter variations like snowed under, which actually has a different meaning. To be snowed under is to be overwhelmed with work or responsibilities, as if being buried under a pile of snow. It's important to distinguish between being snowed over, which implies a covering, and snowed under, which implies an overwhelming amount. I hope this exploration of the phrase, snow over, has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Whether you're looking at a serene, snow-covered scene or using the phrase to describe a situation where details are momentarily concealed, you now know how to use this phrase with confidence. Stay curious about language, and remember, every phrase has a story. Until next time, keep learning and happy speaking.